What is creatine? What does it do? What are its benefits and side effects? In this video, we're going to dive deep into everything you need to know about creatine. What it is, how it works, its benefits, how to use it, and potential side effects. If you're thinking about using creatine, stick around to the end because you'll find all the answers you need right here. Creatine is a compound that is naturally found in your body, primarily in your muscles and brain. It's made from 3 amino acids: arginine, glycine, and methionine. What many people don't know is that about 95% of the creatine in your body is stored in your muscles, where it's used to generate quick energy during high-intensity exercise. In addition to being produced by your body, creatine can also be obtained through food, particularly red meats and fish. However, for those following vegetarian or vegan diets, supplementation is an effective way to ensure adequate creatine levels. The primary function of creatine is to increase the availability of ATP, which is the main source of energy for muscles during short bursts of high-intensity activity, like sprints or weightlifting. By supplementing with creatine, you increase the amount of phosphocreatine in your muscles, allowing them to regenerate ATP more quickly. This means you can keep your energy up for longer during intense workouts, leading to better performance and more reps, which can result in increased muscle growth and endurance. So, what are the benefits of creatine? Well, first of all, creatine is incredibly effective for increasing strength and muscle mass. Studies have shown that it can significantly boost strength in high-intensity exercises like weightlifting, helping you lift more weight and do more reps. Another important benefit is that creatine promotes lean muscle mass. When you do resistance exercises like weight training, creatine helps with protein synthesis in the muscles, speeding up muscle growth. In addition, creatine can improve performance in anaerobic activities and high-intensity sports, like sprints, short runs, and sports that require quick bursts of energy. If you're someone who engages in explosive, high-intensity exercise, creatine can be a great ally in your fitness routine. Now, how do you use creatine? The most common dosing method involves a loading phase, followed by a maintenance phase. During the loading phase, you take about 20 grams per day, split into 4 doses throughout the day for 5 to 7 days. This helps saturate your muscles with creatine quickly. After the loading phase, you reduce the dose to 3 to 5 grams per day to maintain high creatine levels in your body. Another way to supplement is to skip the loading phase and simply start with 5 grams per day. Both methods work, but the loading phase can speed up your results. While creatine is generally safe for most people, there are some potential side effects to be aware of. The most common side effect is weight gain due to water retention in the muscles. This can be a concern for those trying to lose weight or maintain muscle definition. Some people also experience gastrointestinal discomfort like nausea, cramps, or diarrhea. To minimize these effects, it's recommended to take creatine with food and split your dose throughout the day. In rare cases, creatine can cause muscle cramps and dehydration, likely due to the water retention in the muscles. To reduce this risk, it's crucial to stay hydrated while using creatine. Although creatine is generally safe for people with healthy kidneys, those with pre-existing kidney issues should be cautious when using it. It's always best to consult with a healthcare professional before starting any supplement, especially if you have any medical conditions. So, what are the takeaways? Creatine is one of the most researched supplements out there, and when used correctly, it can be incredibly effective for improving performance and promoting muscle growth. If you're looking to enhance your performance in high-intensity training, creatine could be just the supplement you need. Just remember to follow recommended dosages and consult with a healthcare professional if you have any concerns. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future fitness and health content. See you next time, and happy training!